When you picture a visit to a major theme park, what comes to mind? Crowds, stress, expensive fast passes. This hasn't been our experience. For the last 2 years, we've visited Europa Park 3 times. And yeah, this place is absolutely world class. But the reason we keep going back is because this place just has everything. The first time we visited Europa Park, we stayed for 1 day, and it just wasn't enough. The following year, we decided to go all out and book a 2-day stay and stay at one of the on-site hotels. Hotel Castillo Alcazar, the medieval tower. And the great thing is that if you book early enough, you can actually choose the room you'd like to stay in. Oh my god, girls, look!
Oh, what park?
And this place has some of the best views of a theme park I've ever seen. Look at the roller coasters! Both of these hotels share their own dedicated entrance into the park, taking you straight into the Spanish section. And El Andalus, the original hotel, with its beautiful Spanish charm. For us, the adventure starts here. We can't help but stay on site now. It's something we're willing to save up for and have as part of our visits. There's no fighting traffic, there's no crazy queues to get in. You wake up, have a beautiful breakfast, and you're steps away from the magic. It sets the tone for the whole day. You're not stressed, you're excited. And here's the biggest difference between Europa Park and the giants such as Disney, Universal or Merlin. There's no paid fast track. Europa Park has its own special service called Virtual Line. During random parts of the day, they'll drop availability for you to join a virtual line for one of the coasters. Even with this, the biggest queues we ever saw is 40 minutes. And because the operation is designed with German engineering efficiency, the lines move. You don't feel that pressure to spend the extra money just to have a good day.
Where is it?
Here! Why did the big here?
That's okay.
The park is also massive. It absorbs crowds incredibly well. One of Lorna's favourite things to do is interact with the characters around the park. And who doesn't enjoy watching people brave the water rides? It's also spotless. I mean, genuinely clean. There's space to breathe, spaces to sit, and beautiful gardens just to walk through. Sometimes we just grab a coffee and watch the rides roll by. It's just as fun as being on one of them themselves. One thing I really noticed on our trips is how well this park caters for all age ranges. It's not one of those parks where the younger kids are stuck to one area. There's an opportunity to go on a ride in every country. Actually, most of the rides have a lower height limit than you'd expect. There is one little problem with Europa Park though. Lorna is at 1.4 metres of height, but to ride Silver Star, there's an age limit on it, and she's just not quite old enough. But honestly, when you can still experience rides such as Voltron, Blue Fire and Wodan, missing out on one ride isn't a deal breaker. It just means that there's still that one credit she still has to get. But our favourite part of the trip? The evenings. Europa Park do something different I've never seen in a park before. They'll extend the opening hours if it's been a particularly busy day. We loved walking around Europa Park in the night time. Walking through the themed country areas such as Scandinavia while it's all lit up at night was absolutely beautiful. 3 visits later, we're still not bored. We've already booked to go back in April this year. If you're looking for a trip that balances thrills with that little bit of relaxation, then Europa Park is the place for you. Let me know in the comments if you've been before or if you're planning your first ever trip there. Thanks for watching our theme park adventures.